Well, for some analysis, Joseph Haynes Davis is a lawyer based in Orlando, Florida, and he joins me now. Joseph, thanks so much for your time for TRT World, first of all. Is it possible for Republicans to force through a candidate to replace Justice Ginsburg before the elections?
Well, I don't know about forcing through, because the fact of the matter is you have some Republican senators on record saying that they will not vote on a replacement before the election. Those senators are Susan Collins of Maine and Lisa Murkowski of Alaska. And then you also have from Utah, Senator Mitt Romney, who has, as everybody knows, had a tense relationship with the president, President Trump. So I'm not sure about forcing anything. It's going to be an interesting time. Let me also add that if there were a Democrat to cross over, if you will, it might be Joe Manchin of West Virginia. But we already have two Republican senators on record with Susan Collins and Lisa Murkowski saying that they would not vote before the election. And then you have Mitt Romney, who I have not seen any reports as to his position. But again, I think history would show that he has a tense relationship with President Trump.
Joseph, just walk us through how this process for nomination actually works.
Well, the Senate has the power to make the vote come to the floor. And for instance, during the Kavanaugh vote, it was a 50-48 vote. If, in this instance, if it's something less than that, let's just say that it is a tie in the Senate, then the Vice President Pence, would cast a vote, and then the nominee would get approved. But at the end of the day, it is an issue that it's going to be tense because we are in an election year. And
Joseph, what can Democrats do to frustrate the moves to push through a candidate? What can they do in the meantime?
Well, they can continue to advocate against having a vote before the election. But at the end of the day, Mitch McConnell, the Senate leader from Kentucky, has said that he will ask for a vote on the floor. So, respectfully, the issue is whether or not whatever happens is constitutional. You have a lot of politics at play, but ultimately it's the Constitution of these United States that is most important when this comes into play. And that's going to be the bottom line.
Okay, Joseph Haynes Davis, thanks so much. He's a lawyer based in Orlando. Joseph, thanks for explaining all that to us.